Hello students, my name is Anthony sir and today we are going to learn the lesson of class 7 grammar and I'm using the textbook Holy Faith textbook that we are using in our school, Nagarjuna Public School, and the first lesson is else and or else. So we are going to learn how to use else in the sentence. So first of all we need to know the meaning of else. Else का मतलब क्या होता है? Else means other. Okay, so in the place of word other we can use else, but there are some other changes that we have to make also, and to make that changes we need to learn this table. We need to learn the word someone, somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything, no one, nobody, nothing, everyone, everybody, everything, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere. Okay, so these words which will help us to put else in the sentence. So for example, all the above words are singular. Always use a singular verb for them. So after this word we will use what? Singular verb. For example, some other person. If we find some other person, this phrase in the sentence, in that phrase, in the place of that phrase we can use someone else or somebody else. Okay, someone and someone, it can be used for the person, so we can use someone else or somebody else, or any other person can be used as anyone else or anybody else. No other person, no one else, nobody else. You have to write this table and also these words into your notebooks, okay, and learn this, because this will help you to practice to do the exercise. Then no other person is equal to no one else and nobody else. No any other thing is equal to anything else. No other thing is equal to nothing else. Every other thing is equal to everything else. And also when we are using for place, the last line, you see somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere, for that in, at or to, some other place is equal to somewhere else. Any other place is equal to anywhere else, and no other place is equal to nowhere else. Okay, so for example, in this sentence, how are we going to make change? Sentences are given here. You will have to ask some other person. Instead of that, you can also use you will have to ask someone else. Or are you going to any other place? Any other place is equal to somewhere else. So are you going anywhere else? Here we will remove the preposition to and we will just write directly anywhere else. Are you going to anywhere else? No. Are you going anywhere else? This is the correct answer. Okay, यहाँ पर exercise दी गई है. We have to do the exercise. So I have some other things to show you is equal to I have something else. Some other thing is equal to something else to show you. All other people is equal to everybody, okay, or everyone, because it talks about person, not thing. If it is thing, then we will use everything, but here people are there, so everybody or everyone else has gone. Okay, now some other sentences are given here and we are going to do the practice. I will help you to do at least 2-3 sentences, and the remaining one you can do it by your own. Okay, no other person. Okay, now here we have person, so no one else. Okay, or nobody else. We can use no one else or nobody else because both can be used for person. So no one else had a dog like mine, or nobody else had a dog like mine. Okay, then all other people. All other means everyone. Okay, everyone else has a ration card. Okay, so this is how you are going to make the sentence. You can, if you don't know how to make it, then you can take the help of this table to make the sentence. Okay, for example, every other thing is equal to everything else. Okay, it is given here already. With the help of this table you can solve this exercise. Now point 2, the possessive case of else. What is the meaning of possessive? It means to possess something, to become owner of something. And normally we show the possessiveness with apostrophe s or preposition of. There are two ways. Number one, we put apostrophe s when I say the house of Anthony or Anthony's house. Anthony apostrophe s house. So I am the owner of the house. This is how I will make it. So the possessive case of else, when we want to use apostrophe s with else, how are we going to do it? This is what we are going to learn here. Since else is felt to be firmly tied to the words coming before it, the correct possessive form anyone's else sounds unnatural. It means, you see, else is strongly affected by the word which is before. That is somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. All those words are very important for the word else. Therefore, we cannot put the apostrophe s for before word, that is anybody's or anyone's. It looks very unnatural. So what is the best way, the accepted way to make the possessive case is to put apostrophe s with the word else. So else's, it is pronounced else's. Okay. So the accepted form in current English is anyone else's. For example, I took someone else's hat. Someone's else hat? No. Someone else's hat. Was anyone else's pocket picked? No one else's parents were invited. So we are going to put apostrophe s after else, not somebody, anybody, everything. We are not going to put apostrophe s there. Okay. So let's go to the exercise here. I will help you to do 2 sentences and then remaining you will do it. I think this is some other person's hat. Persons, so that is possessive case. So here some other person, I will use someone else's hat. I think this is someone else's hat. Okay. Second one, was any other person's umbrella lost? Any other person is equal to anyone else, and here apostrophe s is there. So anyone else's umbrella lost. Was anyone else's umbrella lost? This is my sentence. Okay. So remaining just like that, remaining sentences you can do it on your own. Now there is also one more rule in this lesson, that is or else. Okay. So or else is equal to otherwise or if not. Okay. If not is equal to unless also. So or else is equal to otherwise. This is the meaning. Remember, it is not others but it is otherwise. Okay. Or can take the place of otherwise or if not. Else act as a kind of intensifier. Intensifier मतलब वो sentence को strong बनाता है. Okay. For example, come early. If you don't, you won't get anything to eat. The answer will be come early, otherwise you won't get anything to eat, if you want to use the word otherwise, or come early or else you won't get anything to eat. So this is in replacement of if not or otherwise. Come early or you won't get anything to eat. Okay. All 4 sentences are correct. So note is given. We can use a comma before or else, and we can use a semicolon or comma before otherwise. Okay. So this is also very important to remember. When we are using otherwise, we can use semicolon, and when we are using or else, we have to use comma. Very good note. Number 2, put your coat on. If you don't, you will catch cold. If instead of if not, you can use otherwise. Put your coat on, otherwise you will catch cold. Put your coat on or else you will catch cold. Put your coat on or you will catch cold. Okay. All 4 sentences are correct. Now here we have some sentences and we have to use the word or else. Okay. So let's see. You must hurry. If you don't, you will catch cold. Here we have the word if and not. So we will remove that one, and instead of that we will use or else. So this is how I will make the sentence. You must hurry, comma, or else you will catch cold. Okay. This is the correct sentence. Second one, hide it. If you don't, they will steal it. If not is given here, let's replace with or else. Hide it or else they will steal it. Okay, so this is how we change the sentence. Okay, how to change with otherwise? Okay, so we must look sharp if, okay, this is the second exercise, second question, and first one, we must look sharp. If we don't, we will be late. I have to use the word otherwise. So I will remove what? If and not. We must look sharp, semicolon, otherwise we will be late. Okay. So this is the correct answer. And the second one, shut the door quietly. If you don't, you will wake the baby. Shut the door quietly, semicolon, otherwise you will wake the baby. This is the correct answer. Just like this, you can also do the other exercise also, and this is quite easy, very easy, but you must remember, practice makes man perfect. So if you will do this exercise perfectly, then only you will be able to give the answer in our next exam. Okay, so try to remember all the rules, and for notes you can write the same notes which is in your notebook. So I want you to write this table which is on page number the first page of lesson. So write the table and also the meanings. Okay, then number 2, on next page, page number 2, the possessive case of else, write the definition and example also, and also the definition of or else. You can write this down, and remaining exercise you can do it in your notebook. I have helped you to do at least 2-3 sentences, and I believe that remaining sentence you will be able to do it. If you are not able to do it, please write it in the comment and I will give you the answer. So thank you so much. All the best for exam and all the best for this exercise. Thank you so much.